Welcome back to the channel. Today we're stepping into the world of pure American luxury, the legendary 1975 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham 4-door. This car wasn't just transportation, it was a statement. A symbol of success, comfort, and unmatched smoothness. So let's dive into the exterior, interior, performance, and why this classic still stands tall today. Exterior. The first thing you notice about the 1975 Fleetwood Brougham is its monumental presence. At over 233 inches long, this Cadillac glides like a land yacht. The massive chrome front grille, stacked rectangular headlamps, and iconic hood ornament give it a look of prestige that turns heads even today. The body lines are long, sharp, and elegant, perfectly capturing the bold design language of the 70s. The wide chrome bumpers, the signature rear fender skirts, and the formal roofline with vinyl covering all add to its sense of luxury. Every inch of this car says, premium. Interior. Once you open those heavy, well-insulated doors, you step into a world of plush comfort. The interior is like a living room on wheels. Thick, pillow-soft seats wrapped in velour or leather, deep carpeting, and wood grain accents. Cadillac designed this cabin with one mission: maximum comfort. The dashboard is wide and clean, with easy-to-read gauges, while the controls for climate, radio, and lighting sit within easy reach. Rear passengers enjoy limousine-like legroom, armrests, and quietness thanks to heavy sound insulation. Power windows, power seats, automatic climate control, everything was engineered to give you a smooth and effortless ride. Performance. Under the hood, the 1975 Fleetwood Brougham carries one of Cadillac's biggest engines ever, the massive 500 cubic inch V8, producing around 190 horsepower and big torque. It's paired with a smooth 3-speed turbo-hydromatic automatic transmission. While not built for speed, this engine delivers exceptional low-end power and a silky, effortless driving feel. The suspension is soft and floaty, perfect for soaking up bumps and giving the driver that signature Cadillac glide. Steering is light, braking is confident, and highway cruising feels almost silent thanks to heavy insulation and a well-tuned chassis. So, what makes the 1975 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham special today? It represents an era when American cars were built for pure comfort, prestige, and presence. It's a rolling piece of American luxury history, massive, elegant, smooth, and unmistakably Cadillac. For collectors and classic car lovers, it offers unmatched ride comfort, iconic styling, and a nostalgic driving experience you can't get from modern cars. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep look at the 1975 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more classic car videos. Tell us which car you want to see next.